When using Instagram, you may encounter an error message that says, "Sorry, there was a problem with your request." This error can cause your account to be temporarily locked and may be due to various issues such as violating Instagram rules, server connection problems, or incorrect login credentials. Here are a few solutions you could try. 1. You could check whether Instagram is down by going through any browser, go to their website, or search downdetector.com and look for Instagram. Second solution is switch your network connection. If you are using Wi-Fi connection, try using your mobile data or connecting to a different available connection. Third, log into Instagram using Facebook. Fourth, use the forget password option. Fifth, update Instagram application by going to a Play Store and then open if there is an update on it and then update or download the update. 6. Clear Instagram application data and cache. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.